Hello everyone, my name is ATP and in this video I'm going to test one of the most famous forex strategies that exists, which is the MACD trading strategy, but on the crypto market, so we can discover its performance. Firstly, I'm going to test it as it is, and then I'm also going to further optimize it with filter and volume indicators to increase its efficiency and profitability, and I'm going to share with you the whole process. Before we jump into the MACD strategy, let me just tell you that if you would like to see a specific trading strategy or maybe your own trading strategy tested with high detail in one of my videos, just comment the rules and conditions of that strategy down below and use the tag MyStrategy. And the best part, if I pick it up and use it to create the video, you will win a month of free access to my Patreon tier 1 and so to one of my trading bots. You can write your strategy in a comment down below or in the video ideas channel from my free Discord community, so don't miss out. The link to my Discord is in the description. Now let's get down to business. So, if you type MACD trading strategy on YouTube, you will see a lot of different videos with millions of views, and the strategy used in all of them is essentially the same. But although the videos show you how to use it, they don't show you the real statistics about the strategy. But in my video, I will show you the real and proven results of it on the crypto market, without clickbait or any bias. As usual, for those who don't know, I'm on TradingView, which is a platform I use to test strategies and trade. This platform is free, but if you'd like to get access to more data, tools and other premium content, you can use my TradingView link that is in the description to get $30 free to use when buying a premium plan. First of all, let's understand and test the basic MACD strategy presented in those videos with millions of views, which use two indicators. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, and you can use this one from TradingView, and an Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, and I'm going again to pick this one provided by TradingView. The settings of the MACD will be the default ones, and on the exponential moving average you will need to insert a length of 200. And I'm going straight to the strategy rules and backtest, so if you want to know more about these indicators, click on the first link down below where I made a brief recap of the history and calculations behind each indicator. So, with this strategy you can either open long or short positions. For a valid long position, the MACD line, which is the blue one, needs to cross above the signal line, which is the orange one, and that crossover needs to happen under the zero line of the histogram, because in that way you are taking long positions when the price is undervalued. And then you can only take that signal if the price is above the 200 period exponential moving average. And for a valid short position, the MACD line needs to cross below the signal line, and that cross under needs to happen above the zero line of the histogram to ensure that you are taking a short position when the price is overvalued. Then you can only take that signal if the price is below the 200 period exponential moving average. Regarding the stop losses, they need to be inserted on the last swing low for long positions and on the last swing high for short positions, and the take profits are going to be always inserted on the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio zone, and that's it. It is as simple as clicking on the subscribe button. However, the rules of the optimized MACD strategy, which I will share with you in a moment, will be a bit more complex, but the results will definitely be better. But before that, let's now analyze the performance of this popular MACD strategy on the crypto market to verify if this strategy is indeed amazing as all of these videos say, or if it is total nonsense. And to simplify that process and guarantee that the results are as real and proven as possible, I coded a trading bot with the exact rules of this strategy. And as you can notice, it respects all the rules and enters and exits from every trade in seconds and with high precision, and it also displays every trade on the chart with the respective entry, exit and even stop loss and take profit levels. If you would like to discover all the things you can perform with this bot and also have access to it, stick around to the end of the video. So now let's jump to the backtest. I will use the 1 hour time frame. I will apply this strategy to a mix of 20 different cryptos with different market capitalizations and using the data from the Binance exchange. With a 2% risk and a 0.075% commission per trade, which is on average what you have, and without compounding the profits. I will use a data sample corresponding to 2 full years, 2021 and 2022, which is a good sample size, and I will download all the trades with the help of my trading bot in order to create a highly professional trading journal with all the real stats and ratios about this strategy. Let's get started. As you are seeing at the moment, I am backtesting this strategy in the most efficient and fastest way possible with the help of my trading bot. Every time I click on a new crypto, the bot performs the backtest automatically, respecting every rule and constant I defined, and it does that in seconds with the most real and proven results possible. It is a highly powerful tool for those who really want to get to the next level in trading, because this type of work cannot be done manually. To know more about my trading bots, check out the description or wait a bit more until the end of the video. And here we have all the results from the backtest I have just performed. After analyzing more than 4,400 trades, we can see that in these conditions the win rate of this MACD strategy was about 41% with a 72% net loss. So we can conclude that the results are not what we expected. And another important thing to consider is the equity curve, which is highly inconsistent. In my opinion, and based on the facts, this happens because this strategy doesn't consider other important trading factors like volume or volatility. The MACD tells us the main momentum, and the exponential moving average show us the overall market trend, but that's not enough, and the results talk by themselves, as you noticed. So now I will show you how to turn this losing strategy into a profitable one by making some changes and additions to it. Let's go back to TradingView. Okay, the first issue we need to eliminate is these types of trades, where the trading signals appear in moments when the market is trading sideways, which decreases our probability of success. And to do that, we need to add a volume indicator to this strategy. There are a lot of good indicators with this function, like the Quadrature explosion, the check-in money flow, the volume oscillator, among others. But today I'm going to share with you a new one that you probably don't know about and that works perfectly on this MACD strategy, which is called Breadth Filter. As you can see, there are some custom ones you can use, but in my case I will use my own custom Breadth Filter, which I recoded using the most recent version of TradingView. I didn't publish my custom Breadth Filter indicator, but I have shared it for those who would like to use it. To access it, you just have to join my Discord community, which is free, head over to the free materials channel, and there you will find the code of this updated indicator. Open up this note, copy the code, and then on the TradingView charts, click on the Pine editor, then on Open, New Indicator, and then just paste the code and save it. After that, just click on the Add to Chart option and you will have this custom Breadth Filter working and with the right settings. If you like this free indicator, don't forget to show me your support by subscribing and clicking on the like button. And this indicator is very simple to use. When the volume bars are below this blue line, which is called filter line, it means the market is trading sideways, and so you shouldn't take any positions. And then, when the volume bars are above the filter line, it means the market is trending. Furthermore, it also colors the bars according to the direction of the trend. When the market is mainly on an uptrend, the bars are going to be colored with green. And when the market is mainly on a downtrend, the bars are going to be colored with red. And this is also a function that we will use for our enhanced MACD trading strategy. Apart from this indicator, we will also add two others with different functions, which will absolutely make this MACD trading strategy a great and profitable strategy. But we will address it and perform the backtest again only in the second part of this video. I know you wanted to see everything now, but be patient because you will soon discover the rest. And to keep you entertained until then, I will share with you the trading bot with this MACD trading strategy updated with the addition of the Breadth Filter volume indicator, so that you can also carry out your backtests on different assets, timeframes, or with different settings or risk management rules, and in the most efficient and fastest way possible. And you can have access to it and to many other trading bots by becoming a subscriber of my Patreon. Depending on the type of tier you choose, you can have access to more than one strategy, access my trading book that teaches you different concepts regarding trading strategies and risk management and everything about my trading bots. You can also have access to my default trading journal with all the formulas and ratios coded. And the cherry of the cake, you can have the opportunity to work directly with me to develop your dream trading strategy. It is an amazing opportunity that you shouldn't waste. For more information, check out the links on the description. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the second part of this video. Happy trading, thank you and bye bye.